Good day, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, I want to show you people how to do your KYC on Hamster before you make your withdrawals. Hamster have just introduced the KYC button on the 13th of September 2024. Now, without the KYC, you cannot make your withdrawals. Now, this is my Hamster account. I'm logging onto my Hamster account. This is my Hamster account. I've logged on to my Hamster account. To do your KYC, you go to airdrop. Under airdrop, you see the exchange that are recognized by Hamster, that at the end of the day they can use this exchange to pay in your earnings, your mined coins into any of these three exchange. So you make a choice out of these three, even though I recommend Bybit as against Binance or OKX. Binance is because Binance have issues with Nigeria, and if you don't have already existing account on Binance, I don't suggest you use Binance to do your KYC, because even if you try to use Binance, you cannot achieve it because you cannot open a fresh account with Binance at the moment. But if you have an existing account with Binance, you can go ahead and do your KYC with it. But you cannot sell your currency. Maybe you have to sell through a third-party exchanger. That's a lecture for another day. Thank you. Meanwhile, OKX, they also, Nigeria, you cannot make withdrawal with Nigerian accounts on OKX. So that too is not recommended. I don't suggest that. But with Bybit, you can do your exchange in Nigeria, either directly into your fiat account or using a P2P trade. Thank you. To be able to achieve that, you have to make sure that you have chosen Bybit as your exchange, as your recommended exchange from the earning section. Now, if you have chosen if you have chosen Bybit as your exchange, you just come here and click on Bybit. You click on you accept. It says, do you have an Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address memo to receive Hamster. No, let's create it. It means if you don't have, you can just go ahead and create it. That's how simple it is. It is seamless to do that with Bybit. But if it were Binance, this, even if you click no, you don't have, Binance will not create account for you. So that is why it is recommended you use Bybit. So you just, if you have an account like me, I have an account, so you just click yes, I have an account. It will take you straight to the KYC page where you input some details. That is, the first thing you input is your Bybit user ID. That is UID. That's the meaning of UID. Bybit user ID. Then Hamster deposit address. Then memo. You all find it from Bybit account. So this is my Bybit account. From Bybit, you come down. This is the home page. This is the home of the Bybit. This is how the platform looks. This is the amount I have. This is my balance, 1.56 USD. Now, when under Bybit, you, on the bottom part of the Bybit account, you go to the left down left side where it is written assets, you click on the asset. Then under asset, you look for deposit, which is the first on my interface. You click on deposit. Under deposit, you click on deposit crypto. That means you want to deposit crypto into your exchange. So you click on the deposit. What currency do you want to deposit? You select hamster. Under the search button, you click on hamster. You write hamster. By the time you write hamster, it will appear. You can just write HMSTR. It will appear right under it, under the search engine. This is where it is written. So you click. By the time you click, it will take you straight into where you make your choice of the kind of currency you want to import or you want to deposit from hamster kombat. And for the purpose of this is stone, so you choose stone as the exchange, as the currency. Now a dialog box has popped up to ask you or to make sure you understand what you are about to do. It says ensure a seamless deposit experience. Please ensure that you use both the hamster deposit address and the hamster memo, which is also spelled out on the hamster account under Binance. Now when we click OK, you understand. Now you click on OK. Now this is the wallet address. You can either use the barcode or you use address, but for the purpose of this transaction, it is address that is demanded. So it is always best you use the address. Be careful, please don't type. It is recommended you copy so that you don't miss any later. If you see the address is not a readable characters, they are characters that you can miss out an alphabet or so when you are doing. So you click on copy. Well, under the wallet address, you click on copy. You go to your Binance, you go to your hamster. You go to under address, you paste. This is it. I have just pasted the address, my wallet address. Now it is left for the memo. You go to the same page, you look for memo. This is the memo. This is right under the address. It also have an icon for copying. Just click on the copy. You go back to hamster. You paste the memo without stress and making mistakes. Now what is left is the Bybit user ID. Now on the Bybit, you are done with what you want to copy from there. So you go back to the home page. That's where you find the user ID, and the user ID is under the menu. That's at the top left corner of your Bybit. You'll see an icon with more like a human structure on it. By the top left corner of the Bybit home interface, you click on it. It will show your user ID. Now your user ID is right under your username. This is my username. KWED001 is my username. Then right under it, you now see user ID. You click on it and copy it. I've just copied my user ID. You go back to your hamster where it indicates Bybit user ID, you paste. With this, you have completed your KYC. It remains for you to save it. Now click on save. Everything is saved. Thank you. With this, you have completed your KYC on hamster. By the time you finish, it will tick the account. It will tick the exchange you have used for your KYC, which is already showing on my hamster. Thank you very much. I wish you